Hello, welcome. My name is Tamara Bartmus with Lightsome Living. Are you an Aries sun sign? Most people don't realize that even if they aren't an Aries sun or moon or ascendant, they will still feel this energy play out on a daily, monthly, and yearly basis. So today I'm going to cover how to help you learn from and use the Aries energy that is happening this month for more positive growth and change in the midst of a lot of struggle. If you would like to learn more about astrology and essential oils, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can see all future videos. Stick around to the end because I have a special gift for you to help you work through this Aries energy in your own life. I started studying astrology not because I wanted to predict the future or understand my horoscopes, but because I was trying to make sense of my past. I view astrology as a powerful form of therapy and self-awareness. To begin, I want to talk just a little bit about this Aries energy and how it might be showing up for you this month. Then I have 4 specially made essential oil blends to help you week by week as you go through this intense spring energy. You might not know that any zodiac sign offers us the opportunity to feel its energy in both a positive and a negative way. For Aries, sometimes that negative expression might show up like impulsive, impatient, hard-headed, angry, intolerant, aggressive, stubborn. Sometimes the positive expression of the Aries energy might feel like independent, quick, driven, determined, brave, assertive, motivated. And oftentimes we feel this roller coaster of these emotions, especially during the month of Aries, which it just moved into on March 19th. We can also feel this roller coaster as the moon moves through each sign every month, about every 2.5 days, which the moon has already done as it moved through the sign of Aries during our new moon this month. We can even feel this Aries energy show up for us on a daily basis as the sign energy moves through our ascendant. This is happening right now, mostly during the morning hours, around 6 to 8 a.m., depending on where you live. The Aries energy helps you discover who you are and what it's like to live and feel independent. As the first sign of the zodiac, I view it as us at our birth. After 9 months of being carried by our mother, completely attached to her through our umbilical cord, all of our needs being met, we enter this world and that cord is cut and we are beginning the process of learning to become ourselves, physically independent and moving into other realms of independence as well. We have to learn how to get our needs met. And this happens through trial and error and choice and taking action in things in our lives. Sometimes these trials and errors of trying to exert our independence provide us certain feedbacks that can be positive and negative. These trials and errors teach us lessons that we internalize, and they help us embrace who we become or our identity. They help us understand what it means to be independent. Sometimes the feedback we get early on in our life can actually create a confused state of not understanding our true power, our true ability to be independent. We might end up learning that it isn't safe to be independent, and we can compromise our self-esteem. We can compromise our self-confidence because the feedback we're getting is saying that it's not safe to be independent. It's not safe to be in our power. At the heart of the Aries energy is the need to prove to ourselves through our independent actions who we are and our capabilities in expressing that. How many of you know an Aries sun? Somebody that was born around March 19th to April 21st. Let me know in the comments what kind of traits and characteristics you see them expressing as we move through this particular month, March and April 2020. There is a lot of energy around new experiences and new beginnings, and then learning to understand how all of that newness is altering our identities. This is why I've created 4 essential oil diffuser blends, one for each week of the lunar month to help you move through this energy with greater ease. If you aren't yet familiar with essential oils and their awesome benefits, don't worry, I will provide a video for you later on. But for right now, just understand that the way they work with our emotions is how they influence our mood through their physical plant chemistry. And those compounds in those plants influence a part of our brain called the limbic brain. The operation of our limbic brain heavily influences our emotions and our memories. During the week of the new moon, which is from March 24th through March 31st, I want you to use the Taming the Fire blend. This is a combination of cypress, cardamom, and a special blend called Anchor that really is going to help you find flow through the chaos of an Aries on Aries energy. Fire and fire. It can be so intense that you might wonder to yourself, am I even gonna make it through this week? So use that blend as you work through the high roller coaster of emotions that first week of the month. The first quarter moon is on April 1st. This is when the sun is in Aries and the moon is now in Cancer. During this time of water and fire energy being expressed, I want you to use the second blend called Presence and Flow, which is a combination of cypress, digestion, and again, Anchor. And this combination is to really help you take everything that has been happening, the intensity of it all, and start processing it so it doesn't create a stagnation, but it can move through you while you're still maintaining the grounded emotions so you're able to move forward towards that full moon energy. On April 7th, I want you to start using the Be Yourself blend. That is during the full moon week, because this is the time where you really have an opportunity to see all of who you are, or at least greater aspects of your true identity, to have that revealed to you. So Be Yourself is a combination of cypress, coriander, and ginger. Not just to be yourself, but to also take that energy and run with it. Walk with it, make something happen with who you are. Cypress is about moving the energy. Coriander is about being true to who you are. And ginger is about doing something with it. So run with it, be yourself, okay? On April 14th is the last quarter moon where the sun is in Aries and the moon is in Capricorn. And this is where I want you to be strong enough to let it all go, to assimilate everything that has happened in the last 3 weeks of this Aries month, and anything that you don't feel like is serving your highest purpose, your highest good, and who you really want to become, at least in the next 12 months. It's time to let those things go, which is why we're using cypress again, along with helichrysum as a support for all those painful things that tend to come up that we don't like to feel, that have become a part of our identity but need to be released. Now is the time to just let it go. I really want you to take full advantage of the energy this month, which is why I have created this special worksheet for you to walk through and identify how Aries energy is showing up for you in your life. Are you having too much of it or too little of it? It's time to learn about your own independent nature. It's time to increase your own self-confidence. So with this free gift that I have for you, you're gonna begin this journey of discovering greater parts of your power and your independent spirit. So to get this gift, click the link in the description below to join my Soul Shine Astrology Coaching Facebook group. And once you've joined, I have in the files section an Aries worksheet that I've uploaded just for you this month. Download that and print it out. Use each question as a journal prompt to help you really start examining how this Aries energy is showing up for you right now, so that you can do something with the energy that is being presented right in front of you. Every single month is a transformative opportunity, and because Aries energy is all about ourselves, our identity, our independence, and our power, I would really encourage you to take full advantage of exploring this part of your nature. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to come back for our future video on April 18th as we jump into Taurus energy. I'll have more diffuser blends for you and more information to help you take full advantage of the next month. See ya.